When I design a bathroom, the first place I start is what's the wow? What's the wow that I'm going to design? What is it? Is it a curved ceiling? Is it an amazing arch window? Is it a feature tile? Is it like amazing skylights? What's the wow? And then I just work backwards from there. The feel of a bathroom is probably the most important thing. I know from my own bathroom, you're in it every day, you're standing there, you know, you shower most days.
Every night for me, every night.
And I stand in my bathroom every day and think, oh God, this feels amazing. I just love the feel of it. And so when we design a space, it's so important. The feel's everything.
And I think people would love a bathroom to feel like a sanctuary, a bit of a getaway, you know, and whether it's early in the morning to get you going for the day or at the end of the night to unwind, I think that bathroom moment is really important for your mental health and well-being.
Are you in the morning or at night?
Well, I'm both, but particularly at night I love the wind down and it's me just on my own.
Well, you just told me that you watch your phone while you're in the shower.
Yeah, I do. I watch a little bit of Veep on the phone. I put it in the niche, shower niche. It's waterproof, the iPhone 11's waterproof, so that works. And that's also just me time. And I've got to say what I'm loving right now, my heated floors. Oh, they're just
that
gorgeous.
would transform your life.
It's so nice.
You know what? I do watch trends. I sit and I decide if I like them or not. But in the end, it's not about the trend, it's about the moment. You know, what's the moment that we want to create in all of those spaces? So I definitely watch them, but I don't 100% follow them.
No, you're not a slave to them.
No.
You know, not at all. But, you know, our vision board is our guiding light. And if it so happens that something that is on trend helps deliver our vision, then for sure.
Yeah.
But we don't just go with a trend because it's trendy if it's not going to deliver that vision board of how you want to feel in the space.
Yeah.
I think also, Bon, when designing a bathroom, every millimetre counts.
Oh,
so
yeah.
you're also like, well, hang on.
It's a game of inches.
What layouts can work? You know, and a square bathroom's often the most challenging.
Yeah, they are.
Versus like a long skinny one, you can run everything down one side and then end with sort of a shower and a bath. But the square bathrooms are so challenging.
The square ones are tough. Do you remember House 11 and it was literally a square and we sat there for because when you design a bathroom, you want to walk in and go, oh, wow, that's amazing. But with a square, it's so much harder to do that.
And also you want to be able to open the door and it not like run into the vanity. And then where do you put the toilet? And we know we always want to try and hide the toilet.
Vision board for a bathroom is tiles, tapware, overall look and feel. So you'll find an image that you resonate with that is pretty much, I suppose, the style and feel of that bathroom, and then layout. Layout's important as well in that vision. So,
and I think it's important when you're creating a vision board for a bathroom, you keep track of what it was about that picture you liked. I remember with my vision board for my bathroom, I'd have a shot of a mirror and vanity placement, and it was more about the placement of those than the look and feel of that moment.
Yeah. You had other images for that?
Other images for that, be it a pebbled floor or that sort of Mediterranean sort of wall feel. So when you got to pull them all together, but you just got to remember of what did you like about each image, and usually you'll never forget because that's how you chose it. But
isn't it funny? You always have like a kick-off image. I do.
Yeah.
Like I'll find an image and I'll just think, oh, that's the money shot, and then everything kind of works around that. I start building my vision board in Pinterest. So I pin all the pictures that I love, and then I'll pretty much eliminate, you know, a chunk of them, and I'll pull all the ones I really love over into Canva.
Yeah, I mean, I've done that too, and I do that a lot, but I also use PowerPoint a lot, where I picked all the images in Pinterest, or even screenshotted some from Instagram, or even just Google search, and then put them in a PowerPoint doc. Or you can just go really old school and like cut out pictures from a mag and put it on, you know, a scrapbook.
You know, another great way to create a mood board is just through Instagram, I'm saying, is you literally go in and you just screenshot all the images, cut and paste them, and post them into whatever the new board is that you create. Does that make sense? So your feed essentially becomes your Pinterest page.
That's clever.
Yeah, I am clever. Vision board's important because it keeps you on track. You can always refer to it. And that's what you have to do. You have to keep referring to your vision board because there's so many beautiful images out there. There's so many beautiful things you could do, but you've got to stay true to that. And that's why your vision board's so important.
What she said. You can totally mix and match materials. You know, it all comes back to your vision board. And if in your vision board you've seen mix and match materials, then it can work, you know. I mean, we usually probably stick with one sort of metal like a tapware finish and use that in the shower as well. You don't have to use it all through the house, but in a bathroom we usually keep it the same, although I know in my bathroom I think I do switch between some brushed chrome and some stainless steel, but they kind of look the same anyway, so try and stick the same in the bathroom. But then also in terms of textures, you know, we love mixing matte and gloss tiles.
All the time.
Large format, small format, it all comes back to the vision board.
I understand why people would feel overwhelmed in a bathroom because it's scary. You're purchasing tiles that are going to stay there for a while. They're expensive. A tile is expensive. A waterproof is expensive. A bathroom isn't cheap, so I understand why you would be feeling really uncertain. But I think what you need to do if you are feeling uncertain is always refer back to your budget. Budget is key. If you go over your budget, you're going to feel yuck. And therefore pick all of those items that you want to choose from a design perspective based on your budget. And that's just your vision board. So you just need to go back to your vision board, pick all those items from your vision board and keep your budget in line.
And I think the key thing there is giving yourself enough time to invest in that exact process. So for sure, I think the earlier you can start planning your bathroom renovation and give yourself a really good amount of time to plan.
So timing, budget and clear idea design-wise.
I love shopping in the Reece Experience Centre.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Well, like, you walk past the showers and they turn on.
Oh, do they?
Yes, I've been in a store where that happened.
I love all the individual little setups from an aesthetic perspective. So you can go and you can see, you know, a Hamptons look, you can see a really Scandi look, you can see a really modern look. So for me, I love seeing all those beautiful little setups.
Well, I think it helps most normal people who can't put that all together in their heads, and they just go and they're like, wow, that's got the vanity with the matching tap, with the bath and the toilet.
And then I love going to chat to them to say, and what other colour can I get that in?
I think if you've got a bathroom that needs improving, for sure, get the planning going, but at some point, bite the bullet, make decisions, and get the renovation started.
Don't procrastinate for so long that you're not enjoying the space.
And don't seek perfection because, take it from us, we've done so many renovations, houses, bathrooms, and there's always things that we might improve or have done differently, but get the bathroom done. You know, done is better than perfect, and if you seek perfection, you might never get it done and you're living with a bathroom that is completely suboptimal for years and years. Just get going, start. Go to the Reece website. It's a great place to start.